black pepper lamb ribs, rice bowl or black pepper lamb ribs, rice or black pepper lamb ribs. Pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most different of the lamb recipes for dinner and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes. We're going to make black pepper lamb ribs rice bowl. We have taken around 300 to 350 grams of lamb ribs, cleaned thoroughly in turmeric water. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. coriander, salt, and salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Salt. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder, a spoon of, now put in salt to taste, mix that again. Now put in a spoon of black pepper powder, a spoon of red chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and half a spoon of mixture spices. Mix that. Put in the lamb ribs into the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Until the spices and the mixture is nicely applied onto the lamb ribs. Now let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 25 to 30 minutes. Pour in 200 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Put in some curry leaves on top as garnish. Now the black pepper, lamb ribs, rice ball is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final, black pepper, lamb ribs, rice ball, or black pepper lamb ribs pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes for dinner and one of the most different of the rice ball recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.